Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about space? What's out there? How far does it go? For centuries, humans have dreamed of exploring the cosmos. Now, thanks to amazing advancements in technology, we're closer than ever to making those dreams a reality. One of the most exciting developments in space travel is the Falcon Heavy rocket. Built by SpaceX, the Falcon Heavy is a marvel of engineering. It's like something straight out of a science fiction movie. But this is no fantasy. This rocket is real, and it's already accomplishing incredible things. In this essay, we'll dive into the world of Falcon Heavy, exploring what makes it so special and why it's considered a game changer for space exploration. Get ready for an adventure beyond Earth. So what makes Falcon Heavy so powerful? Why does it stand out among all the rockets ever built? The answer lies in its extraordinary engineering and the vision behind its creation. Falcon Heavy isn't just another rocket. It's a bold leap forward in space technology, designed to push the boundaries of what's possible. At its core, Falcon Heavy's power comes from its unique design. Picture 3 rockets, each a marvel of engineering, strapped together side by side. These aren't just any rockets. They're based on the proven Falcon 9, SpaceX's reliable workhorse. When Falcon Heavy launches, all 3 boosters ignite at once, working in perfect harmony to generate an astonishing amount of thrust. This triple booster configuration is what sets Falcon Heavy apart, allowing it to lift more weight than almost any other operational rocket in the world. To put it simply, Falcon Heavy is essentially 3 Falcon 9 rockets combined into one super-powered launch vehicle. Each core is packed with 9 Merlin engines, making a total of 27 engines firing together at liftoff. That's more than 5 million pounds of thrust, enough to launch a fully loaded jetliner straight into orbit. The engineering challenge of synchronizing all these engines and boosters is immense, but SpaceX has mastered it, creating a rocket that's both powerful and reliable. This innovative design gives Falcon Heavy its incredible strength, enabling it to carry some of the heaviest payloads ever launched into space. Whether it's massive satellites, interplanetary probes, or even entire spacecraft, Falcon Heavy can handle it all. Its lifting capacity is a game changer for missions that require sending large or multiple payloads far beyond Earth's orbit. To help visualize this, think of a Falcon 9 rocket as a powerful pickup truck, strong, dependable, and capable of carrying a decent load. Now imagine Falcon Heavy as a gigantic 18-wheeler, built to haul enormous cargo across vast distances. It's the difference between moving a few boxes and transporting an entire house. On a cosmic scale, Falcon Heavy is the heavy-duty hauler of the rocket world. Thanks to this remarkable lifting power, Falcon Heavy opens up a whole new world of possibilities for space exploration. It allows us to send larger spacecraft, more scientific equipment, and even crewed missions deeper into the solar system than ever before. With Falcon Heavy, humanity is better equipped to explore the Moon, Mars, and beyond, paving the way for the next giant leap in our journey to the stars. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of Falcon Heavy is its reusability. This single innovation has completely transformed the way we think about launching rockets and exploring space. Instead of treating rockets as disposable, SpaceX has pioneered a new era where rockets are seen as valuable assets that can be flown again and again. Traditionally, rockets were designed for a single use, a one-way trip to space. For decades, every rocket launch meant building an entirely new vehicle from scratch, only to have it destroyed or lost after a single mission. Once the rocket delivered its payload, it would fall back to Earth, burning up in the atmosphere or crashing into the ocean. The remains of these expensive machines would be scattered across remote seas or left to sink to the ocean floor, never to be used again. This made space travel incredibly expensive and wasteful. Each mission required massive investments of time, money, and resources, with little hope of recovering any of it. The high cost of building new rockets for every launch was one of the biggest barriers to making space accessible for more people and organizations. But SpaceX saw an opportunity to change the game. By focusing on reusability, they set out to create rockets that could return safely to Earth, be refurbished, and fly again. This vision was bold and met with skepticism, but it was the key to making spaceflight more affordable and routine. SpaceX revolutionized spaceflight by designing rockets like Falcon Heavy with reusability in mind. Every component, from the engines to the landing legs, was engineered to survive the intense journey to space and back. After launch, the rocket's side boosters, those 3 Falcon 9 cores we talked about, separate from the main rocket and fly themselves back to Earth, landing upright on designated landing pads. This dramatic return is not just a spectacle, it's a carefully choreographed ballet of engineering, guidance, and precision. This incredible feat allows SpaceX to recover and reuse these boosters for multiple missions, significantly reducing the cost of space travel and making it more sustainable in the long run. By reusing rockets, SpaceX has opened the door to more frequent launches, new scientific missions, and the possibility of humans living and working in space for generations to come. The reusability revolution is not just about saving money. It's about making the dream of space exploration a reality for all of humanity. The first launch of Falcon Heavy on February 6, 2018, marked a turning point in the story of space exploration. On that day, the world's eyes were fixed on Kennedy Space Center in Florida, where anticipation and excitement filled the air. Engineers, space enthusiasts, and curious onlookers from around the globe gathered, either in person or glued to their screens, waiting to witness history in the making. The Falcon Heavy, SpaceX's most powerful rocket to date, stood tall and silent on the launch pad, a testament to years of innovation, risk, and relentless ambition. As the countdown reached 0, the world watched with bated breath. Suddenly, the massive rocket roared to life, its 27 Merlin engines igniting in a spectacular display of fire and thunder. The ground shook, and a plume of smoke billowed out, signaling the birth of a new era in commercial spaceflight. The sheer power unleashed in that moment was unlike anything seen in decades, echoing the legendary launches of the Apollo era. It was a breathtaking spectacle, a testament to human ingenuity and our unyielding desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. The Falcon Heavy soared into the sky, leaving behind a trail of hope and inspiration. For many, it was a reminder that the spirit of exploration is alive and well, and that humanity's reach can extend far beyond our home planet. But this launch wasn't just about putting on a show. Behind the scenes, teams of dedicated engineers and mission controllers worked tirelessly, their eyes glued to monitors, their hands steady as they guided the rocket through every critical moment. Every second was the result of meticulous planning, rigorous testing, and a shared dream of reaching for the stars. And at the heart of this mission was a payload unlike any other, a cherry-red Tesla Roadster, belonging to SpaceX founder Elon Musk. Seated behind the wheel was Starman, a mannequin dressed in a SpaceX spacesuit, ready to embark on an endless journey through the cosmos. This whimsical choice was more than just a publicity stunt. It was a bold statement about dreaming big and daring to do things differently. The sight of a car floating through space with Earth in the background and David Bowie's Space Oddity playing on the radio captured the world's imagination. Social media exploded with awe and excitement as millions shared images and videos of Starman's cosmic road trip. News outlets around the globe covered the event, and for a moment people everywhere were united by a sense of wonder and possibility. The successful launch and the unforgettable image of Starman cruising through the stars became a symbol of a new era in space exploration, one where creativity, ambition, and a touch of playfulness can inspire the world. Falcon Heavy's maiden voyage proved that the impossible is within reach, and that the next giant leap for humanity might be just around the corner. Falcon Heavy's true power lies in its ability to lift incredibly heavy objects into space. It can carry a staggering 63,800 kilograms, that's about 140,700 pounds, into low Earth orbit. That's like launching 5 full school buses into space. This incredible payload capacity makes Falcon Heavy a game-changer for a wide range of missions. It can launch large satellites, space telescopes, and even components for future space stations. Its power allows us to send more equipment and supplies with each mission, making it easier and honestly, way more efficient to explore our solar system. In essence, Falcon Heavy is like a cosmic delivery truck, capable of transporting the building blocks of our spacefaring future. Remember the Apollo missions that landed humans on the moon? Well, Falcon Heavy is set to play a crucial role in our return to the lunar surface. NASA has actually chosen Falcon Heavy to launch key components of its Artemis program, which aims to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon. This includes launching the Lunar Gateway, a space station that will orbit the moon and serve as a hub for lunar exploration. Falcon Heavy's power is essential for transporting the large modules and habitats needed to build and sustain this lunar outpost. With Falcon Heavy's help, we're on track to return to the moon, and this time, to stay. Mars, the red planet, has fascinated humanity for centuries. And now, with Falcon Heavy, we have a powerful tool that could help make human missions to Mars a reality. Its ability to transport heavy payloads makes it ideal for sending the necessary equipment, supplies, and even humans on the long journey to Mars. Imagine a future where Falcon Heavy launches spacecraft carrying everything needed to build a Martian base, from habitats and laboratories to rovers and life support systems. While challenges remain, Falcon Heavy provides a powerful foundation for turning our Mars aspirations into tangible achievements. Beyond its technical achievements, Falcon Heavy represents something even more significant, a beacon of hope and inspiration for future generations. Seeing this incredible machine launch into space sparks the imagination and ignites a passion for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM, in young minds. When children witness the power of Falcon Heavy, they see that anything is possible with dedication, creativity, and a thirst for knowledge. This rocket is not just a machine, it's a symbol of human ambition and our limitless potential to explore the universe. Falcon Heavy is more than just a rocket. It's a game-changer for space exploration. Its impressive power, reusability, and ability to carry heavy payloads are paving the way for a new era of space travel. One where we can dream bigger and reach further than ever before. As we venture further into the cosmos, Falcon Heavy will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in unlocking the secrets of the universe. This incredible machine is a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of our boundless curiosity. So the next time you gaze up at the stars, remember Falcon Heavy, a beacon of progress illuminating our path to the cosmos.